I chose culinary because I cook a lot at home and I really like cooking. I want to get better at it and make new recipes. We're making ramen noodles, but we're making them fancy. So we took a regular pack and we're making a broth. So we put 4 cups of water and we're putting soy sauce and mushrooms and spinach and stuff to make it a little broth. And then we're sauteing edamame and chilies and chili oil and soy sauce. Put it in the noodles to make it the flavor enhanced.
We started really slow, but it's second quarter. There's very little involvement from me at this point, so our recipes will just keep getting more difficult. I don't have to talk about reading a recipe anymore. I don't have to talk about how to measure stuff anymore. They're very capable and confident and very impressive.
Just working with my friends and learning more things about culinary. It's a good class. You should consider taking culinary, and I think you will like it if you do it, and you'll learn how to cook for yourself and others when you get older.
Oh, I think it's amazing because I do believe we're the only middle school in the area that offers culinary. I think it's amazing that kids get to experience different foods that maybe they don't know about.
And we do new recipes every week. We cook 2 times a week, sometimes 1. But all week we're learning about the recipe, how to make it better and stuff.
We're so into convenience and fast food. Gives kids an opportunity to cook at home and eat healthier and better and build confidence and self-esteem and learn how to work in a group. I think it's so much fun. It's nice to have that break in the day.
Yeah, I love Miss Westfall. She's the best teacher ever. I love coming to this class. Even when I don't want to come to school in the morning, I know I have culinary second period, so that makes me want to come. We cook every week, and Miss Westfall, she's really great. This class is really fun. We have a lot of friends in here, and we just have a lot of freedom.